If your Android phone is getting slow, laggy, or freezing randomly, here's a simple guide to help you reduce lag and make your phone run smoother. For that, you don't need to do root or advanced tricks. So let's start with the basics. First of all, you have to restart your phone. Restarting your phone clears temporary files and frees up RAM. If you don't have done it in a while, give it a quick reboot. And if you have opened too many apps in the background, swipe down and close unnecessary app or use the clear all button. You can go to settings. You can also go to settings and then battery and app usage to restrict the apps that are draining power. And if your phone have low storage, which means your phone will run slowly, and for that you have to go to settings and then storage and check what's taking up space. Delete unused apps, move photos to Google Photos or any SD card, and clear large files, documents, or downloads. Or you can use the built-in files by Google app. It finds junk files and clean them up in seconds. And too much visual flare can also slow things down. For that you have to go to settings and then about phone. Tap on the build number 7 times to enable developer options. Then you have to go to settings and then system, or you can directly access developer options and set window animation scale and transition animation scale and animator duration scale to 0.5x, or you can turn them off. Your phone should feel way faster and smoother than before. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more tech videos like that.